students, welcome back in my next video, and in this video I will teach you about the rational number. So let's start. Agenda of the video: first, definition of rational number; second, types of rational numbers; third, properties of rational numbers; and last, standard form of rational numbers. Now, definition of rational numbers. The numbers of the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. For example, 3 upon minus 4, minus 6 upon 14, minus 8 upon minus 5, 2 upon 5 are rational numbers. Why? Because in first example, 3 upon minus 4, 3 is a integer, positive integer, and 4 is negative integers. Therefore, it is in the form of p upon q. Similarly, in next, minus 6 is a negative integer and 14 is a positive integer. It is also in the form of p upon q. And in third, minus 8 upon minus 5. Minus 8 is a negative integer and minus 5 is also negative integers. And in 2 upon 5, 2 is a positive integer and 5 is a positive integer. So these are rational numbers. Now, types of rational numbers. There are three types of rational numbers: positive rational numbers, negative rational numbers, and zero rational number. Positive rational number. Let's define positive rational number. A rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are either both positive or both negative. For example, minus 8 upon minus 5. Here we observe that numerator and denominator both are negative integers. Therefore, it will be positive rational numbers. Next, 2 upon 5. Here numerator and denominator both are positive integers. Therefore, this is a positive rational number. Hence, minus 8 upon minus 5 and 2 upon 5 are positive rational numbers. Negative rational numbers. A rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominators are such that one of them is a positive and other is a negative integer. For example, a rational number 3 upon minus 4. This rational number is said to be negative rational number because its denominator is a negative integer and numerator is a positive integer. Minus 6 upon minus 14 is also negative rational numbers because its numerator is negative and denominator is positive. Therefore, we can conclude that 3 upon minus 4 and minus 6 upon 14 are negative rational numbers. zero rational number. 0 is called a zero rational number. Since we can write 0 is equal to 0 upon 1. Now properties of rational numbers. Property first. If P upon Q is a rational number and M is a non-zero integer, then P upon Q is equal to P is multiplied by M and Q is also multiplied by M. For example, let minus 2 upon 3 is a rational number. We can write it minus 2 is multiplied by 2 and 3 is also multiplied by 2, or minus 2 is multiplied by 3 and 3 is also multiplied by 3. Similarly, minus 2 is multiplied by 4 upon 3 is multiplied by 4. Therefore, it can be simplified. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4 upon 6, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, and 3 into 3 is 9, minus 6 upon 9. Similarly, minus 2 times 4 is minus 8, 3 times 4 is 12. That will be properties of rational number. Next property, property 2. If P upon Q is a rational number and M is a common divisor of P and Q, then P upon Q is equal to P is divided by a common divisor M and Q P also divided by the common divisor M. For example, let's 32 upon 36 be a rational number. Then first you should find out common divisor of 32 and 36. We get 4 as a common divisor. Now 32 may be divided by 4 and 36 also divided by 4. We get 8 upon 9. That is property 2. Now, a standard form of a rational number. A rational number P upon Q is said to be in standard form if Q is a positive and P and Q have no common divisor other than 1. Let's solve some examples. Question first. Express each of the following numbers in standard form. First, 21 upon 35. So now express it. 21 upon 35. We should take HCF of 21 and 35. We get 7 as HCF of 21 and 35. Now we divide 21 by 7 and 35 by 7. We get 3 upon 5. Now 3 upon 5 is in standard form of 21 upon 35. Why? Because it has no other common divisor except 1 and its denominator 5 is a positive result.